In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Google account with your own email address. Let's dive right in. First off, you'll want to navigate to the Google sign-in page. This is your starting point where all the account magic begins. If you don't already know how to get there, a quick online search for Google sign-in should guide you in the right direction. Once you're on the Google sign-in page, look for the option that says Create Account. This option is usually found below the email or phone number field. When you click this, a new menu will appear. It's at this point you need to decide who the account is for. You have three choices here. It could be for your personal use, for your child, or perhaps for work or business. Choose the option that best fits your situation. Next, Google will ask for your first and last name. It's important to use the name you want associated with this account because this will be visible when you send emails or interact with others through Google services. After you've entered your name, click on Next to proceed. The next step involves setting your birth date and gender. This information helps personalize your Google experience. It's important to enter this information accurately. Google uses it for things like providing age-appropriate settings. After you've done that, click on Next again. Now you'll be prompted to input your current email address in the designated field. This step is crucial because it helps Google associate this email with your new account. If you have another email address, ensure you enter it correctly to avoid any issues later. Once you've entered your email address, click on Next. Now Google will send a verification code to the email address you just provided. So head over to your email inbox and look for an email from Google. Inside that email you'll find a verification code. Go back to the Google sign-in page and enter this code into the field provided to confirm your email address. This step ensures that you have access to the email you're associating with the new account. Now you'll need to set a password for your new Google account. Choose something strong, something unique but memorable to you. A good password often includes a mix of letters, numbers, and special characters. After setting your password, consider adding recovery information like a phone number or an alternative email. This information can help you recover your account if you ever forget your password or lose access in the future. And there you have it. You should now have a Google account associated with your chosen email address. You're all set to start using Google services. Remember, keeping your account secure is crucial, so be mindful of your settings and personal information. Thanks for watching and enjoy your new Google account.